My bad. DUOLink. It was okay. Here's Tommy. Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Today I'm gonna be unboxing the DUOLink SpeakerBuds. Finally! Oh yes, here they are. Let's get to it because I'm crazy to try them on. Oh, here they are. I ordered the blue ones. Normal packaging, just like any other earbuds. Let's see if it is just like any other earbud or if it's something else, like everybody says. Okay, it's a little difficult to unbox. DUOLink, get your act together. This is not easy to unbox. This tab over here doesn't let me open it. Let's see how I do this. Nope, that's the only way. Let's see if I have to cut this out to open it, or what do I have to do? I've had some difficult unboxings. This is the worst so far. DUOLink, really, get your act together. I know this is meant for, I don't know, Best Buy or a place like that. This is meant for consumers to go in a store and pick this up, but this is no good. No good at all. I gotta cut this out to be able to get this out. Let's see now. Let's get on with it. Really? Really? This is like magic. I do not know what was holding this on. I really tried hard, but it wouldn't come out, so my bad. DUOLink. It was okay. There's no hole in here or anything, so my bad. Okay, let's go. DUOLink, start your non-stop music journey. It actually looks good. It looks really good. Just the so it doesn't get lost. Awesome. I like this. I like this a lot. It's magnetic, so it attaches easily. It has battery. Nice. Okay. Nothing else? Okay, here it is. Okay. Okay, this is for the earpieces. The USB A to C cable. And the cards. You are so cool for choosing DUOLink. Okay, nice. Instructions. So, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Take care.